Welcome. In front of me I have XIAOMI Mi 10i, and today I'll show you how you can record screen in the smartphone. So at the first you have to find your screen recorder, just like that. Open it and click on this icon in the right bottom corner. Right now when you are ready to record, click start. As you can see, the record is on the way. If you want to stop, just tap here twice. And to enter the record, click here. You will find it in the file manager, in your gallery, but also in the screen recorder application. So when you click here and go for the screen recorder, the record will appear right here. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.